Good morning students, welcome to our Sheba online class. Now we are going to see our 7th class. Our 7th class is about the computer. We are going to see about the introduction of a computer. Our lesson name is Computer and Introduction. In this lesson, just we are going a introduction about the computer. There is a students and teacher conversation. This is the lesson about the students and teacher conversation about the computer. What is computer? Okay, now see, boys and girls of a standard 6 were playing in a playground. That means these are the characters. Who all are means teachers. One teacher is there and Shiva, Salim, Malar, Selvi, Nancy. These are the students. A conversation in the playground. They are just discussing in the playground. That Shiva saying that, "Hi Salim, I saw your dad coming with a big parcel yesterday." That means he saw already yesterday that Salim father brought some big parcel to his home. That I am right, that is a television. I think that big parcel is look like some television. He is just assumption that that is television. But Salim said that is not a television. He brought a new computer. He saying that my father brought some new computer, that is not a television. And then Malar said, "Oh, I see. Computer I had seen in the textile shop used for billing." That means Malar saying I saw the computer in the textile shop for using a billing. For billing only they are using a computer. But Selvi said, "Malar, that is not only for billing. They are also used in the railway station, ATM, banks. In these places and also many places they are using computer for many works." And Nancy said, "Yeah, I also see in our school also. In your school also there is a computer." That only Nancy also saying. Okay, and then Salim saying, it is only in our school. Nancy, I think your father also having a computer." Salim saying, "In our school only there is a computer. Your father also having a computer." Salim saying to the Nancy. And Nancy saying, "Is my father having computer?" Is just she is saying in a confusion way. Okay, she is confusion. That means I am having computer in my home. She is asking. And then Nancy saying, "Sure, my father does not having a computer. He is having my father having only a mobile phone. Not sure he is not having a computer." Nancy saying that. Salim say that only mobile, not a computer. Mobile also one type of a computer. Who is saying? Salim saying. Then Nancy, "Oh no Salim, what do you mean?" That means what do you mean? Mobile phone is a computer? No, computer means it's look like a television. That is a computer. Nancy saying. Salim saying, "Not you are thinking like a usual. Mobile phone is not like that. TV is big, like that computer is also there. But in mobile phone that is small only with our hand size, but also it having many technology like computer. Nowadays a mobile phone also same like a computer." Who is saying that? Salim is saying. "The work which done a computer also done by using a smartphone." Nowadays smartphone there is no use of computer, because same like in smartphone itself every technology is developed. So same works all done by the mobile smartphone itself. That only he is saying. Then Selvi saying that what about laptops and tablets? That means what about laptop? And that also same, but the structure of everything is different. Computer is like a television, that is big size, and smartphone is in a small size, and laptop which we can able to carry every place. There are same only, the work is same, but the size is different. Salim is just explaining all this. Then Shiva coming. "That's okay Salim, why do you need a computer in your home?" Shiva saying, "Why do you need a computer in home?" Because Salim father only brought a computer. Then Salim saying that I can use it for drawing, painting, playing games, even develop my learning also, he is saying. And saying for my knowledge, general knowledge also I will develop with the help of computer, because in computer many works are there. We can able to draw, we can take a printout from that, many uses are there. For that only I brought a computer. Then Selvi saying, Salim, you know about computers? Selvi also asking, you know about the computer? Then only we can able to use the computer. Then Salim saying, I know a very less about computer. My dad used computer in his office. He is saying that he know about very little. Everyone for 6th standard, they know what is computer. Nowadays you able to know about the smartphone, how to use, but computer just little bit different. The work is same only, but the process, the program is different. So I know very late, but my father was working with computers, so I will learn from my father, who is saying Salim. And then all students stood up when the teachers came and stood near them. That means after that they are discussing in the playground only. So after that teacher is entering into the class, they are also entering, and the teacher asking that what is going on to the students who are conversation having there. Okay. Then children saying, we are discussing about the computer, sir. They are replying that they are discussing about the computer. And teacher, oh, I see, that nice. That is nice. You are doing a good conversation. That is nice only. He is saying that. I will explain you in detail. I will also help you that. I will explain about detail what is computer and what all are there. Teacher is saying that. Okay. Firstly, I will explain about what is computer. Teacher saying that first he is going to explain about the what is computer. Now see, computer is an electronic device. Computer is an electronic device processing data and information according to our needs. That means in computer, that is an electronic device only. From the electronic only we are using a computer. Okay. In that process, some information and data, from that only we will collect some information. This is a computer, and we can save the data and convert into information. That means we can also be able to save the data, and we can able to collect the information from the data. That only he is saying. Mother then asking a question to the teacher. We are eager to know about the computer. We are eager. That means they are just excited, because teacher also explaining about what is computer. So, mother is very excited. Then teacher is being from 19th century. Who is the founder of the computer? Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the founder of the computer. He is a mathematician in 19th century. Okay, he designed a analog computer. He is known as father of computer. That is, founder means father of computer. He is mathematician. So only in 19th century he found the computer, and the basic structure who designed by himself being used all, that is he only doing a basic structure of the computer. And then Augusta Ada Lovelace, she only used the first programmer in the computer. He is the founder of the computer, but she is using the first program of the computer. Then I told you about the Charles Babbage, founder of the computer. He is that. The picture of a Charles Babbage is this only. And she is the Augusta Ada, who found the first program in the computer. And I show you about the pictures of the two members. Okay, then Nancy asking, sir, can you tell which device was used before the invention of computer? Nancy is having one doubt. She is asking that before computer, what the device the peoples are used, that only she is questioning. The teacher saying in early stages there was no computer. In the early stages there was no computer. Initially the people used some tools like abacus. In our school also they teaching a abacus. In the early stages they just used that abacus for the calculation, and then later they all used the calculator, and like that then they used some another device, then only computer they came. Okay, and Selvi saying that wow, it's really interesting sir, just interesting about knowing this all information. Selvi got a interest in this about the computer. Just say about another uses of computer sir, she is asking. Teacher saying and also Selvi asking what all are the equipments or some tools used in the computer. Teacher saying good question Selvi, that computer came in the 5th generation. Okay, after 4 generation only computer came. Computer came in the 5th generation. Then for 4 generation they used some another device also. Nancy saying then 4 more generation previous is there, then asking Nancy. Teacher saying yes Nancy, I am saying all. And Shiva also, please sir explain about that. Shiva is asking, and teacher okay I will explain. The first generation is vacuum tube, and the second generation is transistor, and third generation is integrated circuit, fourth generation is microprocessor, and fifth is our computer. First is vacuum tube. I will show you what all are the images, that vacuum tube, microprocessor, everything. I will show you the images. This is used in the first generation, that is vacuum tube. This is the vacuum tube used in the first generation. This is used in the second generation. This is a transistor. This is the image of transistor. Just see the image of transistor. And this is used in the third generation, integrate circuit. These are the integrate circuit used in the third generation. And this is the microprocessor. I told you about the microprocessor. This is the image of microprocessor. And after that 5th generation we used a computer, the latest technology computer. And these are the images of the 5 generation which used the computer. Okay, now I hope that you all also excited when seeing this. Like that only Selvi also eager to know about more information about this, and teacher also explaining that data and information are the 2 important element in the computer. In the computer, data and information is the most important. Okay, and then teacher again explaining that generally they are in the form of the process of data is in the form of number, alphabet and images. In data, how the information will be stored? Like a number, alphabet means we are writing the name, no, like that, and that images, I show you some images, that also some data only. And then Siva asking, and then what is information sir? Sir explain about the data. Now he is saying what is information? Information is form of processed data. That means we know about the data. The form of processed data is information. And then what is about hardware? In every home who all are having computer, they know definitely hardware. Sometimes it will be repair also. Okay, that means teacher explaining that commands or a program that used in the computer is software. That means commands or some programs used in the computer is called as software, and that is divided into 2 types. One is operating software, application software. 2 types they are, operating and application software. Nancy again saying that just explaining more sir. Then teacher again is software means just operating some that images or some data which we are using in the computer organization, that is software. Okay, that is like a window in our computer, there is a window one, that is a software. And what is application software? We are run a particular program, that means software which used for for a particular program. That means in a computer there will be having a painting, drawing and some games you all are playing. No, that all are application software. And Nancy saying, I learn more about computer today, sir. Mother also saying, yes sir, I too. But then what is hardware? She is asking. Teacher saying computer helps software to work is a hardware. That means computer is a software which used for working a hardware. Okay, teacher is explaining. Then Salim saying, please tell about more. Then sir, yes sure I will. I explain you about the computer what all are having and the input devices also there. For example, in computer there will be take a page number 1 or 2, there will be a pictures about the computer separate parts. Okay. There is a keyboard, mouse and other input device. These are the input device and data information and collecting that software I told you now. The information which stored in the number, alphabet. These all are the output device. Input device means the parts. Output device means that software. These all are the software means which all are the printer, because when we print something means it will come in the printer. These all are the output device. And also Nancy is asking what is CPU. CPU means everyone know that the brain of the computer. Okay, that is main. Every information will be stored in the CPU. And teacher saying that is for full form of the CPU is Central Processing Unit. The full form of CPU is Central Processing Unit. This is the brain of the computer. And also all the children who all are there, they just said that thank you so much sir, we know about all about this. We are just exciting to know more. But sir say in our coming classes you will study more about computer detailedly. Now this is the information you have to know about this. So every students are become happy when a teacher help to say about what is computer. I hope you all are understood what is computer, and these all are the introduction of the computer. See you in the next class, students. Thank you.